So, if I want to explain that the scarcity chapter, that what are the problems of an economy that an economy faces. So, what are they? Scarcity of a problem. So, it starts with key the efficient allocation of resource which are there. They are not sufficient to cover up. Okay, whatever the resources are there, they are not sufficient. Scarcity is there. So, we need to have an efficient allocation of resource. I try to explain the people like if I take Dunlop and Domdom. So, the Sprite, if I take the example, because ऑफ द लो हीट, इस लो हीट की वजह, बहुत हाई हीट की वजह से क्या हो रहा था, प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था। किस में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था कि चीज़ें जो थी, जो आइसक्रीम बोलो या फिर कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स बोलो, सो पीपल आर नॉट गेटिंग दैट करेक्टली, सो फॉर दैट दे वर फेसिंग अ प्रॉब्लम। सो द अमाउंट ऑफ क्वांटिटी विच वॉज देयर दैट वॉज नॉट सफिशिएंट फॉर वन टू go with the go with fulfill their wants. So then comes the scarcity, and then comes how to produce, for whom to produce, the central problems of an economy. So there are three central problems of an economy: how to produce, for whom to produce, in what way to produce, and what to produce. So these are the things which are the central problems of an economy which an economy faces. Okay, how to produce and in what quantity. If I take the Sprite example only, अगर हम लेते हैं तो फिर कितना प्रोड्यूस करेंगे, कैसे प्रोड्यूस करेंगे, लैंड लेबर क्या रहेंगे। फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन बोल के कॉन्सेप्ट होता है कि लैंड, लेबर, कैपिटल, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, ये चार होते हैं जो होते हैं हम लोग के फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन। इनको लेकर ही हम कुछ बनाएंगे या कुछ क्वांटिटी में बनाएंगे। ठीक है, सेकेंड होता है for whom to produce, how much to produce. So these are the things which are there, which one needs in order to fulfill the requirement. Okay, that is the first thing. Then comes here, these are the central problems of an economy that one faces. Okay, and basically there are certain definitions which are being given by different economists for the same concept. So the central problems of economy needs to be understood because this is one of the important chapter. Once we understand that, it will help one to understand the growth and development of an economy and what is the difference between growth and development. So to understand the concept, one is to understand the chapter very much, and these are the important concepts, because economic growth and development of an economy, for pursuing economics, this will go on, and one of the important concepts for Indian economy. So thank you for watching the video. If you like and want to know more videos like that and want to understand, do subscribe to my channel.